ಒಂದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಹೈಟ್ ನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೋಡ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಇಂದ. ಟೌನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ರೋಡ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ
rudimentary, sir.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ರೋಡ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಇಂದ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟಡಿ ಕೆಳಗಿತ್ತು.
Sir, apartment owners cannot take the life of workmen easy by getting everything done without any safety measure.
We have got every responsibility. Report now, that's the reason why I said
8 meters.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ 20? ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಅವ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ನನ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟಡಿ ತೆಗ್ದಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಂದಂಗ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು 9 ಅಡಿ ಬೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ
steel barricades because it does not collapse.
You don't want to do that.
Lords, kindly have a look at page 4. Kindly have a look at page 4. Netting.
Photos ಯಾವತ್ತಿದು?
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Page number 4, my lords, of my report which is submitted. Netting is done.
Net ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ.
Net is going to
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Is my lord net going to protect a collapse of mud, my lord? I don't know.
But my lords, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ನಾವು ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಅರ್ತ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅರ್ತ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಅಡಿ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅದು ಸುಳ್ಳು. They have themselves produced the photographs.
Basement ಮಾಡಿ 25 feet ಯಾಕೆ?
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನಾವು. They have produced the photographs of 14/8. It is not my document.
20 ನಿಮ್ದು.
19 there is
19 ಇದೀರಾ?
19, my lord, that report was submitted on the last date. They were supposed to.
Lords, the prohibitory order.
That's
yes.
Workmen.
Yes, my lords. Prohibitory order.
Danger ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
Correct. Prohibitory order, when it was challenged, they said there is a 25 feet excavation. There cannot be a 25 feet excavation because my sanction plan permits me only 9 feet of basement. 9 feet ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದೀರಾ?
ಈಗ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗಿನ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. So the notice which was originally challenged before your lordships was when no construction was in existence.
All right.
They said I have dug up 25 feet. Supporting pillars are not there, the slope is not there, therefore it is endangering prohibitory orders anta kotru. Lords, by the time they've communicated the order, because they never conducted any inspection, we have never gone. Even now the inspection report which they have submitted will clearly indicate that there is no excavation of 25 feet.
Illa ide para 2.
Kodi
Page 2, my lord.
You noticed?
Yes, I have seen the report.
Page 2 of the report, my lord, para 2. First line, my lord, says 8 meters. Excavation
depth of 8 meters.
8 meters. That's 24 feet.
Has to be carried out vertically.
Allah. Excavation has to be carried vertically in depth of 8 meters as stated above without has been carried out irbekadu. English.
Allah. Our produce ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Lordships by kindly see annexure 1.
Ravi Shankar sir, the only concern is no life should be lost.
Now, absolutely no difficulty. Yes. Lords, every let's kindly have a look at annexure 1 to this.
Showing unsafe conditions. There's so many things. How can I permit?
Lords, now the question is this, Lords.
Always saying, Lords,
prohibitory orders. Lords, if your lords were to see the rule, prohibitory orders can be passed not for violation of every single condition, Lords, which can be imposed under the provisions of the act and the rules. Only if they return a finding saying that there is endangering, give me an opportunity to say that this is to be done, then it is permissible for them to undertake this exercise. Lords, may kindly see page 200, rule 269.
Kodi madam.
You separate a koti. But I'll just pass on this rules.
Kodi.
Page number 126 in that. If it appears to the inspector that any site or place at which any building or other construction is being carried on is in such condition that it is dangerous to life, safety or health of building workers or general public, he may in writing serve on the employer of the building or on the owner of the establishment or on the person in charge of the site or the place an order prohibiting any building or other construction work at such place until measures have been taken to remove the cause of danger to his satisfaction.
So take your measures.
Lords, now it is very simple. The first and foremost condition or the foundational fact to pass a prohibitory order is that he should be of the opinion that it is dangerous to life, safety and health of the building workers. Lords, it is open-ended. I don't want to comment on that for the present. Now, if your lordships were to see the report, it only speaks about the violations.
Maybe the title, but if you see what is there.
Lords, in the contents. Lords, may I just pass on
The
this?
following observations are made.
Kindly have a look at this, because we have culled out, my lords, with reference to each one of it. It is just that they have enlisted what has been there. But the question is whether any one of these factors endanger the life for the purposes of passing a prohibitory order is conspicuously absent, but this is pertaining to your construction. My lords, I just want to
Can I
say
make
this,
my
my lords.
submission, my lord?
I lost, my lords, where I started. My lords, the writ petition was filed when there was only an earthwork digging. According to
Right.
them, it was 25 meters. Kindly have a look at that report, page number annexure 1. Kindly have a look at that report, annexure 1.
Hmm.
Lords, in that, the first photograph,
Hmm.
this is 25 meters for 25 feet for them.
Hmm.
This is what they are saying is 25 feet. Next two photographs which are produced indicates that the constructions have already come up. Lords, these are the constructions on
You-
14/8/24.
You will be responsible for anything that happens.
But I will
here.
be. Let's kindly see the date of that photographs. 14/8/2024, when the order is impugned, when the impugned notice is issued, there is no 25 feet digging. Page number 274
What are
is
you
my,
what are you constructing here?
it's an apartment complex which we are constructing. We are permitted 9 feet basement.
9 feet basement ಮಾಡಿ 25 feet ಯಾಕೆ?
ಅದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನಾವು. They have produced the photographs of 14/8. It is not my document. Their documents clearly show that I have not dug this 25 feet. 2.7 meters is what is permitted. I have gone up to 3 meters. That is,
Now take all the measures, rectify all this.
Lords, we have already done it. Now I have given that response. Lords,
ಎಲ್ಲ rectify ಮಾಡಿ I will permit.
Let's kindly see that response which you have submitted. Page 2. It is in response to whatever report they have submitted.
Complied with all safety measures.
Yes.
Just check if everything is complied.
Not complied, my lord. The officer is here.
I will not permit anything to go on without compliance.
Lords,
Tomorrow if some life is lost.
Lord, we have
then
done a
we can
I have no, Lords,
Lord,
absolutely
we've
no
done a report
difficulty.
after 1 minute, sir. We've done a report, my lord, after your lordships have ordered it. We have come to an observation
And
that
in
there
the
is 8 meters.
Ah.
And my lord, all we're asking is put steel barricades because it does not collapse.
You don't want to do that.
Lords, kindly have a look at
Lord,
page
if-
4. Kindly have a look at page 4. Netting.
All photos ಯಾವತ್ತಿದು?
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
Page number 4, my lords, of my my report which is submitted. Netting is done.
ನೆಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹೌದು, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು ನೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ.
Net
Dark
is going to,
rooms
my lord,
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ
protect.
ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
Is my lord net going to protect a collapse of mud, my lord? I don't know.
ಬಟ್ ವಿನೋಡ್ಸ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನಾವು ಕೇಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಅರ್ತ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಅರ್ತ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಅಡಿ ತೆಗೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅದು ಸುಳ್ಳು. They have
please see one of the photographs, my lord, in the report.
produced the photographs to show there is no 25 feet digging. That is annexure 1 as on 14/8/2024.
Now, this is inspection is done.
Is
when?
pertaining to.
No, inspection is done when?
14/8/2024.
14/8?
2024. Sorry, my
Lords,
lord. I'll.
Lords, 14/8/2024 is
7
allegedly the first
7/4
inspection.
Sorry, 7/4/2025.
Pursuant to my order, the inspection is done.
7/4/2025.
Right, that's the report here.
Lords, now lords will kindly see the annexure 2.
7/4/2025 is the report.
Yes.
Yes.
You set everything right here, I will permit.
Lords, I have said it.
No?
We have complied. Lords may kindly see me. Lords, the
ಆಯ್ತು,
report which
compliance
is
report
submitted.
ಕೊಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
We have given the copies
ಕೊಡಿ,
to them.
let me see. Yes, the learned, heard the learned senior counsel, D.R. Ravishankar appearing for the petitioner. This court on 7/4/2025 had passed the following order. Allah, sorry, it's not 7/4. This court on next Monday, fresh matters.
Please. Just one fact I wanted to bring to your lordship's notice. Inspection of what your lordships directed. If your lordships were to see the order dated 1/4 minutes, because
With regard to safety of workmen.
lords, 1/4, your lordships passed an order saying that since the digging is for 25 feet, slopes and all is not maintained, therefore, and our grievance is that no inspection is conducted, therefore there is a necessity of carrying out the inspection. So your lordships directed. Now that fact is not in existence as of today. Digging is over, construction of the basement is completed, and we have already come to the first
ಆಯ್ತು,
floor.
you let him inspect and you.
Because
let
what
him
your
get
lordships
himself-
have directed for inspection is not what is now submitted before the court. The question is whether there existed 25 feet to prohibit me from construction at the first instance.
It does exist, that is the report, sir.
Let's report now. That's the reason why I said.
8 meters.
Let's ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ 20 ಈಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಅವ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಎಷ್ಟಡಿ ತೆಗ್ದಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ಹಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಾನು 9 ಅಡಿ ಬೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತೆಗೆಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ
What is the
ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್
san- what is
ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್
the
ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್
sanctioned
ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ
plan? Sanctioned plan.
Let's page 74.
ಕೊಡಿ. According to sanctioned
Lords,
plan.
height
ಎಷ್ಟು
details
basement?
ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
ಹಾ.
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಇನ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್, ಬೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೈಟ್ 2.75 meters.
ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತದು?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ 9 feet 2.75 meters ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ 2 ಅಡಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತೆಗ್ದಿರ್ತೀವಿ. 25 ಅಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ ತೆಗಿಯಕ್
ಅಲ್ಲ
ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ?
ಯಾರು who has measured 8 feet, 8 meters? ಹಾ?
ಸಂಪದು ಸಂಪ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಏನು ಹೋಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾನಲ್ಲಿ 25 ಅಡಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗ್ದಿದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಂಪ್ ಏರಿಯಾಗೆ ಸೈಟ್ ಮೆಜರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೆ
No, no,
ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇರುತ್ತೆ.
Is it the entire area that they have dug only or only for the sump area? Yes, mister. Who inspected the property? Was it the sump area or the entire site area?
Sir, the site is like this, sir. It is vertically, it is 8 meters like this. The slope is like this, sir. From this slope again 4 meters down, they have excavated for tanks, sir. Whole 8 meters, 8 feet, 25
So
feet.
ಮೇಲಿಂದ 8 ಅಡಿ ಅಂತ
It is like
8
this,
meters ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು?
This is
What is
around
on this?
25 feet, sir.
No. That is at the height of 25 feet.
And here.
But what is dug up is not 25 feet.
It is dug up, sir.
From where?
From it is like this, it is vertical, it is been cut, sir. See, if it is cut vertically, sir, there is chances of caving in and landslide on the.
ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಹೈಟ್ ನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೋಡ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಇಂದ. ಟೌನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ರೋಡ್ ಹೈಟ್, ರೋಡ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಇಂದ ನಾವ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ
That is rudimentary, sir.
Sir, it is the.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ರೋಡ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಇಂದ ನೀವ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಎಷ್ಟಡಿ
No,
ಕೆಳಗಿತ್ತು
Ravi
ಮೇಲಿತ್ತು
Shankar
ಅಂತ.
sir, apartment owners cannot take the life of workmen easy by getting everything
got
done
every
without
Lords,
any safety measure.
Lords, we
That
have
is all
got
the
every
concern.
responsibility, every person is responsible for their safety.
Yes.
Sir,
Lords,
before
we
excavation-
are responsible at the first
You
instance.
construct anything, no endangering anybody's life
Certainly not.
and not violating any safety standards that are
Sir,
necessary for
before
the workmen.
construction activity, they have to submit excavation plan to my officer. And we have to ensure that all the preventive measures are adopted before starting.
Now
the work.
preventive measures are adopted.
ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಷನ್ ಮುಗ್ದೋಯ್ತು, ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀವಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಅವ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಷನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
When the topic
Now
was.
1 minute, excavation is over now, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗ್ದೋಗಿದ್ಯಾ?
Second floor, third
ಇಲ್ಲ,
floor.
ಈಗ excavation ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕೀಗ?
Excavation, I'm not talking, sir. Recently, when 7th floor, I have visited the factory as per your
No,
directions.
now 25 feet excavation was done anta, that is the
Yes, sir.
ground on which it is set. 25 feet excavation is not, that stage is over now?
That stage is over, sir. Now 7th floor.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆ
third floor
ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲೋರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕವೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ವಾ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ ಈಗ?
Based on what the report is.
What Shamit?
My lord,
If
there
they
are
are at the
certain-
second floor construction,
My lord,
where
there
are
are
you
certain
talking
other-
about the
my lord,
excavation
there are
now?
certain other, my lord, violations
Others
that
they
have
will
done.
comply.
Let them comply, my lord.
Lords, if they issue as a notice, now they have
But the
given as a
report now-
report.
Now.
The report says it. my
Now
lord.
the report says various statutory compliances violation.
Lords, we
You
have
comply
upset
with all
those.
that.
Let them give us an intimation as to what are all the other complaints.
give it on
We'll
Monday.
comply. Lords,
Give it on
only
Monday.
thing is that until and unless, because for every statutory compliance, the prohibitory order cannot be passed.
No, that is
Unless
correct.
unless a finding is given that it is endangering
No,
of the,
now excavation case is over.
yes,
What was projected was excavation.
Yes,
You
it's
are at
over
the
now.
second floor.
yes.
Barkoli madam. Heard the learned senior counsel D.R. Ravi Shankar appearing for the petitioner.